In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a JPG in Krita quickly and correctly so you can export your artwork in a format that's easy to share, upload, and use anywhere. Whether you're finishing a drawing, preparing an image for a website, or just want a smaller file size, this simple export process will help you get it done in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. Once you have your project open in Krita, look to the top menu bar and click File. This is where you'll find the main save and export options for your artwork. From the drop-down menu, select Export. It's important to choose Export instead of regular save because exporting lets you convert your file into a JPG format that other devices and apps can open easily. After you click Export, a file window will appear. Now choose the destination folder where you want to save the image. This step is helpful because it keeps your exported file organized and easy to find later. You can save it to your desktop, a project folder, or any location on your computer that makes sense for your workflow. Next, open the Save as a Type drop-down menu. This is the setting that tells Krita what file format you want to use. From the list, select JPEG image. JPEG or JPG is one of the most common formats for sharing images online, posting artwork, and sending files by email. It's a great choice when you want a good balance between image quality and file size. Now enter a file name in the text field. Try to give it a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to export multiple versions of the same artwork. A good file name can save you time and help you stay organized. Once the file name is set, click Save to continue. Krita will now open the options dialog for the JPEG export settings. This is where you can control how compressed or detailed your final image will be. One of the most important settings here is the quality slider. Adjust the quality slider to the percentage you want. A higher quality setting usually means better image detail and less compression, but it can also create a larger file. A lower quality setting reduces file size, but may make the image look less sharp. For most uses, a middle to high setting works well, but you can choose whatever best fits your needs. After you're happy with the quality level, click OK to finalize the export process. Krita will create your JPG file and save it in the folder you selected. At that point, your image is ready to share, upload, or use in any project outside of Krita, and that's it. You've just learned how to save JPG in Krita. It's a fast and simple process once you know where to click, and now you can export your artwork with confidence whenever you need a JPEG version. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.